Have you ever pondered the story behind the beloved Christmas carol, The Angel Gabriel from Heaven Came? The opening lines paint a vivid picture of the Angel Gabriel's majestic descent from the heavens, his wings as pristine as freshly fallen snow, his eyes ablaze like a roaring flame. He greets Mary, a modest maiden, declaring her a most highly favored lady. This phrase is a beautiful echo of the angelic salutation or Hail Mary in the Bible, underscoring Mary's unique favor with God. The angel's message brings an awe-inspiring revelation to the humble maiden. The second verse of the carol unveils even more astonishing news. Gabriel, in his divine proclamation, shares that Mary, in her blessed state, will be honored throughout all generations. She is to bring forth a son, to be named Emmanuel, a name symbolizing God with us. This news, long foretold by prophets, embodies the very heart of the Annunciation, the heralding of Christ's impending arrival into our world. A humble maiden is chosen for an extraordinary role to bring forth Emmanuel. Mary's response to this divine message is captured in the third verse. Humbling herself before the celestial envoy, Mary accepts her monumental role with grace and resolve, vowing to laud and magnify God's holy name. Her quiet submission is more than just acceptance. It's a testament to her profound faith and obedience. These remarkable qualities earn her the reverential title, Most Highly Favored Lady. And indeed, in her humility and devotion, Mary's humble acceptance sets a powerful example of faith and obedience. The final verse commemorates the birth of Christ. Emmanuel the Christ is brought into the world in the humble town of Bethlehem, on a morning now celebrated every year as Christmas. This miraculous event, honored and rejoiced by Christians all around the world, signifies the fulfillment of the Angel Gabriel's proclamation and the realization of Mary's divine role. The birth of Christ, a momentous event celebrated by Christians across the globe, is forever tied to the most highly favored lady, Mary.